Hey, what's up guys, my name is Peter and welcome to my Centec channel. In this video I'm going to unbox and test a new China Bluetooth smartwatch called the Lemfo G Wear, also known as model K28H, which is compatible with Android and iOS phones. It comes in this small silver box with some few info stickers on the side. This watch is a Bluetooth watch and available in blue, black and silver, and what I got here is the silver version with an extra metal band. On the back we find the specs, like the CPU, which is the Realtek 8762DT, Bluetooth 5.0 and a built-in 260 mAh battery which can last several days. So let's have a look inside, and first we see the beautiful smartwatch in silver. And wow, at first glance it looks stunning. Round tempered front glass surrounded by an aluminium frame, and the design clearly resembles the CASIO GST-B200. So let's take it out. Yeah, it's a little bit hard just with one hand here. And put it aside for now, and let's see what we else got inside the box. First, a USB charging cable, which sticks easy and fast via some magnetic pins to the back of the watch, and they in fact seems to be okay strong. Then an user manual in English, which explains the features and settings. And last, a metal band with some nice easy fit spring pins. The metal band here looks cool and the quality is acceptable. Still, I do notice that it feels pretty light and does have some few sharp edges. So it's not quite the same quality as the ones I know from expensive premium watches, but for the price I can't really complain. The smartwatch has a round 360 by 360 pixels, 1.3 inch IPS display with a small inside bezel. The finish and feel is good, and it really comes close to the CASIO G-Steel GST-B200. It has 3 functional buttons on the right, while there are no buttons on the left, but instead we here find a cutout for a big speaker. The black resin band feels okay, close to what found on CASIO watches, but maybe slightly softer and a bit thinner than normal. On the back of the watch we find 3 working LEDs for the VC31 dynamic heart rate monitor. It's really awesome to see that they also implemented easy fit spring pins to the standard band, so these are really easy to remove. Okay, so now let me just attach the metal band, which can be done really fast. Great, that's it. And it looks absolutely stunning. Extremely close to the CASIO G-Steel watch. And now let me put it on, so you overall can have a better look. Because I'm a big CASIO fan, I also have the CASIO G-Steel GST-B200. So now let's compare the designs. The China smartwatch comes extremely close to CASIO's original design, only some small details reveal it. Even the side buttons look nearly identical, and it is hard to see the difference if you don't know it. Still, the Lemfo watch is in fact slightly bigger, but here in the video it may be hard to see. The original metal band on the CASIO is of course much thicker and of another kind of quality, and you do also notice a clear difference. The Lemfo band is not bad for the price, but compared directly with the CASIO band it seems cheap, light and thin. The 1.3 inch IPS display has some good sharp colors and is bright and clear. The viewing angles are good, and the black values are for this kind of display fully acceptable. The watch does not have any kind of boot time, it turns from off to on in seconds. And here let me just first scroll fast through the menus and basics so you can have a look. Important to mention is also that this watch is multi-language and offers multiple sport modes and a special new breathing function. There are two different menu styles to choose from, round and list. You can scroll from side to side and up and down. The touch sensitivity is fine and the speed is good. The side center button can in fact be turned, but that doesn't have any function. Instead you can rotate the main menu with the up and down buttons. That's something new that I haven't seen before. Let's also fast check out the built-in standard watch faces. And the one that looks like the B200 is in fact just a custom picture I have inserted myself via the app. More to that later. It also features quick view, which will turn on the display when you move it. Here again compared directly with the CASIO GST-B200. Built-in is also a small game called Young Bird, which is a clone of Flappy Bird. And let me just also fast go through the settings. The watch supports an app called Fit, which can be downloaded from the Play Store or the App Store. After you have connected the watch, you in here also can download new watch faces. And one of the built-in faces let you customize the background picture. So here I have just inserted a background picture of the CASIO GST-B200. But there are also many others to choose from, as you see here. And let's just also go fast through the app settings. Here you can see things like remaining battery and the results from various training apps. You can make phone calls directly from the watch, but this requires that you first pair the watch separately via Bluetooth with your smartphone. Things like weather, camera shutter and music player remote control works as soon you are connected with the app. In the app it's important to enable notifications if you want these to appear on the watch. These can be set up for each app. I have now paired it with my phone, so let me show you the phone call function in the watch. It offers call records, a dial pad and contacts, which first need to be set up and synced from the app. But after that is done, it works perfect and the sound is pretty loud and clear.
Velkommen til voicemail. For at aflytte dine beskeder, tag telefonnummer efterfulgt af firkant. Eller ønsker du at lægge besked, indtast telefonnummeret for den, du vil lægge besked til.
So let's round this video up with my final verdict. The Lemfo G-Wear K28H is a stunning looking metal smartwatch with a great rock design, which resembles the CASIO GST-B200. The watch is fast and offers a lot of features for sport and workout. Still, it is not as advanced as the more expensive smartwatches, and the software is lacking in some areas. For instance, I would like more and better watch faces, and the watch does not offer a full Android experience, it's more like a simple spot tracker. But for the price I can't really complain, it does the job. So if you're looking for a watch with a great visual design and can live with some basic software, then this watch could be something for you. Alright, so thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and please give the video a like and comment below if you have questions. Seeing you next time.